Alright everyone, today here we have a white Fasco Gulf stream ceiling fan from 1989. I got this fan for only $20 off Craigslist. And the fan is fully functional, which is a relief for me because when I originally got it from the lady that I got from, she actually didn't even know if it worked or not because it was just sitting in her attic for several years. I'm not sure if it was there when she moved in or not, or if they took it down, put it up there and just forgot about it or what, but I don't remember the story. But seeing that it's up and working is a major relief. Otherwise, I likely would have parted this fan out just for scraps and parts and stuff. This is one of the first few fans that I have where the switch housing is all one single piece. It doesn't have a bottom lip plate that unscrews to put a light kit in. So the only way to put a light kit here is the type that has a threaded rod in the center that just screws in right here. The fan does have a bit of a wobble though, but it's nothing too major. I'm guessing the fan was probably sitting on the ground face up like this, and it was probably leaning on one of the blades, thus putting it out of whack a little, but it's nothing too major. This fan also had no mounting bracket. The original mounting bracket was nowhere to be found, so I offered $20 to the lady because she originally wanted $25 total, but when I pointed out to her that without a mounting bracket it would have been literally impossible for me to actually hang the fan and get it up and running and everything's telling her that I would have had to have gone out to like Home Depot or Lowe's or something to get a replacement set. So she was fully understanding, which was awesome, so she was able to drop the price down to $20 for me. Funnily enough, I just so happened to have had a spare mounting bracket just lying around, so I threw that up here to match the canopy and everything that was original to the fan here. So that was great. I didn't even need to go out and grab another set. But all in all, the fan is fully functional and it blows off some pretty good air. So now we'll go ahead and give it a demo. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoyed it.